Welcome to my YouTube channel. A CNC lathe machine computer numerical control lathe is a high-precision machine used to rotate a workpiece against various cutting tools to shape it into the desired form. CNC lathe machine precision in motion automotive aerospace metalworking manufacture creates shafts, bolts, pulleys and bushings controlled by computer, G-code and working process of CNC lathe machine design and programming setup machining finishing and inspection. Installation process. Installing a CNC lathe machine requires proper planning and setup. Installation process. Foundation: strong and level base power supply, 3-phase connection software and calibration bed, base of the machine. Carriage, moves cutting tool control panel, machine's brain motor machining, maximum precision automation, accuracy, efficiency. The CNC lathe machine has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by offering high-precision, faster production, and minimal human error, understanding its installation parts and working. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.